Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today let's learn English 3 4th quarter, week 6.
So let's learn new things today. Are you ready? That's great.
Our topic for English 3 4th quarter, week 6 is about vowel digraphs. First, let's read the objective. In this lesson, you are expected to read words, phrases, sentences, and stories containing vowel digraphs AI, AY, EA, EE, OO, and OA. Understanding different sounds is necessary in reading. Unique sounds may be formed by putting together different sounds. First, let's define vowel digraphs. Vowel digraphs are combinations of vowels to make a single vowel sound. Now, let's read examples of vowel digraphs. Now, let's read the examples of words with vowel digraphs A. Rain, tail, pale, male. Next, these are the words that contain the vowel digraphs A, ray, play, tray, clay. Now, let's read the words that contain the vowel digraphs E, leaf, meat, read, seal. Now, let's read the words that contain the vowel digraphs E, bee, feet, tree, seed. Next, let's read the words that contain the vowel digraphs U, boot, pull, hook, tool. Lastly, let's read the words that contain the vowel digraphs O, coat, soap, goat, toad. Now, let's do this. Read the phrases in the next slide, then box the vowel digraphs. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now, let's do this. Read the phrases in the next slide, then box the vowel digraphs. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. A good book. What word contains a vowel digraph? Very good. Good and book. Number 2. A blue coat. Which word contains the vowel digraph? Great job. Coat. Number 3. Brown loaf. Which word contains a vowel digraph? Nice, it's loaf. Number 4. A ray of sun. Which word contains a vowel digraph? Awesome, it's ray. And number 5. Jeep along the street. Which word or words contain vowel digraphs? Great job! It's jeep and street. Now, let's proceed to another exercises. Let's do this. Let's read the directions. Complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the choices inside the box. Are you ready? Let's start. Now, let's answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1, if your answer is vowel digraphs, then you're right. Vowel digraphs are combinations of number 2, very good, vowels that produce a number 3, great, single vowel sound such as AI, AY, EE, EA, OO, and OA. Let's read again. Vowel digraphs are combinations of vowels that produce a single vowel sound such as AI, AY, EE, EA, OO, and OA. There you go. I hope that you learn a lot about our topic in English 3, 4th quarter, week 6, which is all about vowel digraphs with Teacher JM.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.